Artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's already shaping careers today. But the real question is your child just using AI or learning how to build with it? Introducing AI Architects, an advanced hands-on summer program designed for students of class 11th and 12th, where students move beyond basics and start designing real AI solutions. In this program, students will understand artificial intelligence, machine learning, and how modern AI systems work. Learn the complete AI development lifecycle from data to model to prediction. Work with data sets and perform data analysis. Build foundational skills in Python for AI. Explore concepts like classification, regression, and pattern detection. And get introduced to modern AI tools, including generative AI and intelligent applications. This is a practical hands-on program. Students will build real mini-projects such as AI chatbots, prediction models, recommendation systems, and simple intelligent applications. The entire program is conducted online with live, interactive sessions focused on real learning and application. The program runs for 4 weeks with structured sessions, coding practice, machine learning exercises, and guided project development. By the end of the program, students will be able to analyze data, build AI models, and create their own intelligent solutions. They will also receive a certificate of completion, adding value to their academic and career journey. And the best part? This advanced AI program is available at just 3,000 rupees, making high-quality, future-ready learning accessible and affordable. Don't just prepare your child for exams, prepare them for the future. Enroll now in the AI Architects Summer Camp.